In today's video, I'll show you how you can make objects float and hover in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So this effect is really easy. So you just need to keyframe the position of your clip right here or your element. And let's say that I have this YouTube logo that I would want to animate. So from here, you want to make sure that you select that certain clip that you want to apply this effect into. Go into Effect Controls and Position, keyframe the position. And make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of the clip. Now click on Keyframe. And then next is that you want to move 1.5 seconds forward. So it's about this one, which is 1 second and 30 millisecond. And from here is that you would want to add 40 into the Y value position right here in the position. So it will now be 580. And then next, 1.5 seconds forward again. So it should be at 3 seconds right there. And then now I'll go back at default, which is 540. And from here, actually, this is enough. And then you can just cut the video length into this one. And then you can just duplicate this. And then you will now have this smooth hover effect right here. And as you can see, you can duplicate this as many as you'd want to achieve the length that you desire. And now when I play this, it should now transition smoothly. Now, bonus tip to make the movement much smoother is that you want to go here into the keyframes again in the effect controls for the position. Select all of them by holding out the control key while selecting the keyframes, or you could also do shift if you'd want to. And from here, you want to right click on all of them and then temporal interpolation, go into ease out and then right click again. And this time go into ease in. And now when you play it, it will now be so much smoother. And then now again, you can duplicate the newly added effect into your clip right here so that it will also be applied to the others. So you want to delete those previous ones that you have made. So yeah, this is it on how you'd be able to add the hover and float effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.